Once upon a time in the bustling realm of the internet, there lived a man named Ethan. He wasn't your typical businessman who wore suits and sat in a corner office. Instead, he wielded his laptop as his weapon of choice and navigated the vast virtual landscape as an online entrepreneur. Ethan's journey began with a simple idea, a passion for handmade candles. He had always been intrigued by the art of crafting unique scents and designs. Recognizing the potential of e-commerce, he decided to turn his hobby into a business. Armed with determination and a few savings, he set up an online store, Ethereal Glow. However, the path to success proved to be far from a cakewalk. Ethan quickly realized that creating a website was just the tip of the iceberg. In a sea of online businesses, standing out required strategic navigation. He delved into the world of digital marketing, learning the ropes of social media campaigns, search engine optimiza, and email marketing. Late nights turned into early mornings as Ethan honed his skills. He connected with fellow entrepreneurs through online forums, exchanging insights and advice. With time, Ethereal Glow's presence started to grow. His beautifully designed candles, coupled with his personal dedication, began to resonate with customers. But challenges continued to knock on Ethan's digital door. The online realm was dynamic, with trends shifting like sand beneath his feet. Undeterred, he adapted and expanded his product line, introducing eco-friendly packaging and collaborating with local artists for exclusive designs. As Ethereal Glow's reputation flourished, so did Ethan's ambitions. He expanded his reach to international markets, solving the puzzle of global shipping and tailoring his marketing to diverse cultures. His resilience and willingness to learn opened doors to opportunities he had never imagined. One day, a message arrived that would change Ethan's journey forever. It was from a well-known lifestyle magazine interested in featuring Ethereal Glow's story. The article catapulted his business into the limelight, driving an influx of traffic to his website. Ethan's candles became the talk of the town, and he struggled to keep up with the demand. With growth came the need for a team.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then press subscribe and like button.